News that all XRP users have been waiting for since 2020. If you own XRP tokens or are interested in XRP, you need to read this. What new XRP news is there and how does it affect the price of XRP? In today's video, I'll answer these questions and also tell you about all the new information about XRP that will help its price go up. I'll also talk about how there's still a good chance you could make $1 million with it. I spent a lot of time researching this movie, so please watch it all the way through so you don't miss any details that could make the price go up. XRP is worth $0.49 right now, and $300 million worth of it changes hands every 24 hours. In the past 7 days, the price of XRP has gone down 1.3%, but it has gone up 2.3% in the last day. Out of the 100 billion XRP coins that were made, 48 billion are now in use. Keep in mind that some prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. Because buying in the cryptocurrency market is risky, please do your homework before you put money into it. This information is not meant to be business advice. You can buy or sell XRP on some of the busiest trading sites, such as Coin, eToro, and GitHub. Let's not waste any more time and start watching the video right away. What would happen if Ripple won $1 billion match? XRP would go through the roof. What the XRP market did and the SEC scandal in July, an important judicial ruling was made by an American judge. Ripple's XRP was not always a security. The move caused waves in the cryptocurrency market, which pushed XRP to a new high of $0.82. When big investors saw this positive trend, they started putting a lot of money into the digital asset. Also, Ripple's general counsel Stu Alderete said that US banks might again use AUDAL, Ripple's on-demand liquidity option. But this joy didn't last long. At the moment, XRP is selling at a discount rate of $0.48, which means that its value has dropped by more than 40%. Differences in the past Supreme Court versus SEC. To give you some history, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sued Ripple for $1.33 billion in 2020, which got the company stuck in a legal maze. The government body said that Ripple had sold unregistered securities, such as XRP, without permission and had lied to its investors. A federal district judge made a complicated decision in July, saying that automated sales of XRP to regular buyers did not count as securities. However, the decision acknowledged that sales of securities that have not been listed. You might find it interesting that both Ripple Labs and investors like this choice. When Judge Torres talked about Ripple's institutional sales of XRP, he said that they were against Section 5 of the Securities Act because they were an unauthorized offer and sale of investment contracts. Then, Kerry Gensler, the head of the SEC, said he didn't agree with the ruling and hinted that there might be an appeal. A summary of Ripple's history and goals. The company that made XRP, Ripple Labs, started out with a goal in mind. The goal of it was to help banks and other financial companies send money quickly and cheaply. Even though things are very unstable now, it's important to remember that XRP was a shocking $3.40 in 2018. If you're still watching this movie, please think about giving the channel a like. To make sure you don't miss anything, please like, follow, and watch with care. Let's watch the rest of the movie now that we haven't spent any more time. Could the price of XRP go up by 30% to 30%? Analysts who work on the indicator look at how the price of XRP has changed in the past, which led to rises of 47,000% and 700%. There looks to be a huge rise coming for XRP that could send its price through the roof, rising by 300% to 300% very soon. A well-known crypto expert, Igrag, recently talked about XRP's ability to break through this barrier by using an important sign that has been reliable over time. A trend was seen over the last 2 days with the 100 moving average, NA, 200 moving average, and 300 moving average. This trend was brought to Igrag's attention in his most recent study. Notably, it was pointed out that XRP has always had a huge rally that has pushed its price up by previously unheard of amounts every time the 100 MA goes above the 200 MA and then above the 300 MA. In order to make a reference to rapid growth, EGREG called this phenomenon KABM. The event happened near the end of 2017, and it caused the value of XRP to rise by 47,000%. Following a steady rise in the first few months of 2018, XRP hit its all-time high on January 4th. In terms of XRP, this is still the biggest run-up to date. At the beginning of 2021, when XRP had already dropped from its 2018 highs and was selling below $0.03, the bullish cross was also seen. In a short 3 months, XRP went from a low of $0.22 in January 2021 to a high of $1.96 in April 2021, an amazing 763% gain. XRP would soon be able to see the cross. Since it began, XRP has only had 2 spikes this big, and both times the cross came right before the surge. EGREG said that the price of the asset could go up by 300%, 3,000%, or 30,000% without showing a fixed rate, and the cross is about to happen again. They were asked to guess what they thought the fairest charge would be. Some supporters of XRP have suggested a 30,000% rise if they win the case against the SEC. It's important to remember that XRP went up by 760% in April 2021, even though the SEC case put court pressure on the market. One of the news stories of the day is about unlocking the potential of XRP. Another is about Ripple's new strategy after its IPO. A sneak peek at how Ripple will work in the future as the buzz around Ripple's possible initial public offering, IPO, builds, especially among well-known members of the XRP community. The cryptocurrency world is full of guesses. One of these theories goes into great detail about how Ripple would change how it runs after its IPO, especially when it comes to its well-known cryptocurrency, XRP. Ralph Kahneman, a well-known XRP figure, put it up. Woki says that if Ripple goes through with its IPO, the company might run its international payment business through one or more sister companies. According to Woki, this kind of change in strategy could make payment licensing a lot easier. The main reason for this move is that Ripple thinks it will be easy to enter new markets, encourage partnerships with related groups, and speed up regulatory approvals. Putting the Ripple name apart from XRP, an interesting part of Woki's idea is the ripple effect that he thinks will happen to XRP. After the IPO, Ripple might give XRP a more unique personality by moving cross-border transfers to separate companies, which would make it less connected to the main Ripple brand. We want to make it clear that we are not trying to get you to invest in any company, and this is not a channel for giving financial advice. This is just a way to get learning tools sent right to your door. Thanks for taking a look.